Edition under the Vice Penal Code in relation to Cybercrime Act have been formally filed against Patrol Management. As the Chief Philippine National Police has clearly stated, the PNP upholds laws and orders, not personal or for political agenda. Presently, the status of patrolman Pampillas is absent without officially effective marches. So, pag na-resto natin siya ulit to active duty, that's the only time we can restrict this patrolman Pampillas. So once award pa siya, hindi natin pa ma-implement yung restricted custody. Leave was not processed because of lacking requirements. So, hindi sa kaya effective March 6, hindi na siya pumapasok. So, we filed an award sa kanya. Ongoing monitoring natin doon sa FDP kung meron pa ng other mga damaging posts against the government or against organization. So, that's yun ang ating ongoing effort. So, yeah, we tried all our effort. Meron kayo pag-communicate regarding this demeanor, but siya talaga is wala sa rabi talaga.